Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab P11 and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this tablet. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, which I have one right over here. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, but you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either the paper clip or this little tool, you're going to pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have your volume buttons, just a little bit lower to the bottom or to the right side, depending on how you look at it. But anyway, from here, you want to push the pin in. Come on, camera. There we go. So push the pin in, and you'll see that the tray comes out ever so slightly. It looks like that's all the way it comes out. There we go. Once you take it out, you have space for just a single SD card. So let's place it like so. Now, as you can see, there is a little additional part to this tray that it's filled out. That's usually where would a SIM go. If there is a version of this device with LTE connectivity, then this wouldn't be filled out. It would be empty the same way this tray is, and you could place your SIM on there. Anyway, once you have your card in place, you want to insert it back into the device. There we go. And the card should start working right away. And there we go, you can see the pop-up. So it already detected a SIM card, or not SIM card, SD card, and I can set it up. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.